Pakistani University of Pakistan आता to finally become with Arduino series state project. What is Arduino? Arduino is a board, ultrasonic sensor, and when I print those and you can see all when I bring my hand and you can see dustbins open. How it's what? So basically there are ultrasonic sensors, which sensor produce speaker and it's ultrasonic wave produce, which is one speaker, and when any object comes across like quite a distance, it will reflect its body and this object, then received by this other sensor, received by other speaker, which can put the signal into the Arduino with our top side of the board, and Arduino is connected to this servo motor, and servo motor is got this lid via this wire. Then bring the hand. Ultrasonic dip the Arduino and Arduino drive the servo motor. What is a servo motor? A servo motor is a motor which go what at particular angle, and you can also stop at any position. If you in case of ultrasonic sensor, I remove that, you can see there are digital oscillator is there, and this sensor knows that CSR port. First pin is VCC, which is need 5 volt, and pin number 4 is ground, and trigger and ETO. So meaning input and output. So Arduino leave this stick into power, and Arduino the signal with a PWM signal, that is the signal, which then it produce a PWM ultrasonic wave, which human cannot hear it, but it is a very tiny little wave, and which wave reflects human body and then received by this one. So you can see there are a little RTR, transmitter and receiver. So it put that wave out and it put ultrasonic wave back in and convert the signal, ETO signal, which is Arduino, and Arduino turn on the output those produce digital signal, which is 0 or 1, high or low. Low test is motor stops up position, high test motor will be rotate and particular angle. Which angle motor is rotate is already configured with Arduino via USB table. This is a table, male to male USB table, male A to male A USB table, male A to male B USB table, which we can use a printer. This table connects your Arduino and connect your computer and program that. How it's programmed and how program is working, I tell in the later, because this time we can do the laptop screen, and which I made a next shot, add a shot, which I show you in the laptop screen how it's works. But right for now, this lead goes there in the Arduino. Let me try to show Arduino. There is Arduino, and there are a couple of pins. These are digital pins, meaning which are all the output digital 12 pins total. Meaning you can connect digital 12 items, digital sectors output, which were in logic 0 and 1. And these are 5 analog logic, which is only one on and off. And these are power pins like 3.3 volt, 5 volt, and ground and reset and something like that. And there are restart button if you like to restart them. For example, your tool is not working, you can push them and restart and use them. And this is a small little project is ultrasonic based. Now I show you what's up in configuration. Which is also defined in the code. If you like to change, you can change the code first and then change it in real. Otherwise, it not work. And pin number 9 is servo motor, and pin number 10 is ETO pin, and pin number 11 is a trigger pin. So ultrasonic trigger is at pin number 11, pin number 10 is at Ito, and pin number 9 is at a servo motor PWM pin. In case of servo motor, there are three wires: red, positive 5 volt, brown ground, orange is signal or PWM wire. Because this motor is PWM signal. And ultrasonic, there are one positive, one negative, and one ether and one trigger. So positive goes positive directly, and negative goes negative, and ether trigger whereas though ether and is the trigger wire of ultrasound section, as you know, which can be defined in the program or software. Software is basically type in embedded C language, which is written in IDE software. Other than that, there is a launch story I later tell one by one in upcoming days, and this will show you last one more time. Now try last one more time. So you can see if you trail them my energy for distance, it will detect my hand. And if I bring, so you can also make obstacle avoided, and if you come, this is a dustbin project, smart dustbin. Basically, you open a dustbin manually and throw anything. Sometimes you forget to close the lid. Sometimes rain is coming and it will water goes inside, and your garbage mixed with water and made a massive thing. That's why when you door close, it will automatically open, and you can put it a throw garbage like what is a garbage. For example, this is a double side tape. This is a piece of garbage. Although my double side tape quality is not good, that's why it will remove and throw back. And when you do other object like this paper, I don't know paper. For example, this tape. Right now, this is my garbage, and it's will turn off. But all the I can apply with this type of double-sided tape, sticky tape, which is in my case, this my tape is not a good quality tape, so that's why it will falling off and off. That's why. And this will depend in the next video, I think with different projects. Pause. Now there's a code we can find in the create Arduino.cc project, the website. Code in this is a dustbin code, smart dustbin code. First include include servo.h library, then servo main, define our servo in, and there's the int trigger pin of ultrasonic pin number 10, int etho pin is pin 11, int distance, floor duration, floor centimeters, void setup, and servo attach pin number 9, servo on digital pin, servo 9, servo on pin digital 10. We need servo number 10 is net pin number 9, pin mode trigger pin output, pin mode etho input, void loop, and digital wide, trigger pin low, delay 2 milliseconds, digital wide, trigger I, delay microsecond 10 microsecond, digital trigger pin low, duration equals pulse etho I, and in centimeters equal distance 58.82, distance equals centimeter. If distance is less than 38, then equal, and servo main wide, and then turn servo back to center position 90-degree angle, and then angle delayed 3000 milliseconds, 30,000 let me count 3000 milliseconds and else wide servo main wide 0 and delay for under 50 settings, and there's a code of this, and this video is done with the next video very soon. Pause.